Welcome to another thrilling Dashcam compilation. Get ready to witness the unexpected, the unbelievable, and the downright shocking moments captured on the road. Buckle up, hit that like button, and let's dive into the action.
To a broader Turkey-style embargo, Israel would hardly feel the pinch because its trade with the global south is spread thin. Its commodity imports from such countries can also be easily replaced. It gets about as much oil and gas from Russia as it does from Brazil, and Vladimir Putin would be
Connecting to the emergency call center.
So now we selling it all, singing, hey man, come on down. Hey man, come on down.
Yes, because you know how it goes, like in 500 meters.
Why doesn't he turn it off?
And he's like,
whoa,
oh my god.
Oh, fuck me.
Manual recording will now
That
start.
was so bad. What was he doing?
I have no idea.
He wasn't paying
He's a
attention.
noob too.
So Mikhail, nope, it's not even like Mike, like, nope, like, I don't understand what to call you. Please today it's this. Yeah. When you're famous enough, you can just rotate names. That's true. You can be like Puff Daddy. Well, hey, that's a bad
Oh,
reference.
shit.
Can't use him anymore. I did see that video.
Why is there so much time between trains? Oh, you learn how to get on the sidewalk, Patrick. Fuck!
So now it's a full count. Ray at 2. Carroll at third. Bell at second. 2 down. 3-2 pitch. Inside. scripts that are removed that.
Interesting.
I want you to meet his sisters though. Like they're so. Oh no! Oh my god! Stop!
Wrong way.
Oh my god!
What the fuck are you doing? Huh? What the hell? Oh my gosh.
What is he doing?
What a moron.
Could he not wait?
No, I can't wait.